In 2025, artificial intelligence is creating new millionaires faster than any technology in history. While most people are still debating whether AI will take their jobs, a small group of entrepreneurs has quietly built six-figure businesses using AI tools that cost less than a cup of coffee. From a college student making $50,000 a month with AI-generated cartoons, to a former teacher earning passive income from AI-written blogs, these aren't just isolated success stories, they're part of a growing trend that's reshaping how money is made online. This is the real story of how regular people are turning AI into cash right now. The first method that I want to show you today is creating AI-generated cartoons, similar to the cartoon that I'm going to show you right now. So let's just have a quick preview of this cartoon. And you can see that it's an animated cartoon in Disney style, where two children, friends, are going for an adventure and they're going to find a treasure using a map. Now, this cartoon was generated by AI. Channels that make these kind of cartoons, they get millions and millions of daily views on YouTube. So you can see here, I'm looking at the analytics of one of these kind of channels, and you can see their daily average is 16 million views per day. Now, if we take very conservatively an estimate that they make $1 per 1,000 views, that means that this channel is making $16,000 every single day from cartoons. These cartoons get a ton of views. If you search cartoons about birds like we've done here, and I filter just by recently uploaded, you'll actually see that a lot of these cartoons are AI generated and they're getting a lot of views. Look at this one, 150,000 views in just 6 days. To make a cartoon like this, you can use a tool called Magic Light. The link to it is just in the description below, and you can start to use this tool for free. There is also a paid tier of membership for this tool if you need it. And in literally 5 minutes, I managed to create this cartoon that I just showed you, and it makes it super easy to do the same for you guys as well. Then you can go to DeepSeek and you can ask DeepSeek to write you a script for a cartoon about two friends who went on a treasure hunt. And then once DeepSeek generates the script for you, here we go. We've got the script written. It only took about 30 seconds. So we can take this whole script and we can go to Magic Light and we can click on Create Video, choose the style. So I'm going to go for Disney here, and we'll choose 16:9 landscape, and then you can insert the script into this box and click Next. After that, go through all of the steps, cast, storyboard, and edit the cartoon, and it will create a full-blown cartoon, just like the one that I showed you earlier. Like this cartoon that I generated, it was done 100% using Magic Light AI. Now, if you guys want to see a full tutorial on this, I'll put the link in the description below. I've got a full tutorial on how to use Magic Light AI. I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video because I want to cover other ways of making money online with AI as well. But if you do want to learn more about Magic Light AI, click the link in the description below, or I'm going to put a link to a card over here on the screen. The second way to make money online with AI is by creating content-rich websites. For example, I own 5 websites, and you can see one of the websites here on the screen. It's a travel website, and this website was put together using a lot of help from AI. Not 100% of the content is made using AI, but I would say probably 60 to 70 to 80% of this content has been produced using AI. But the way that I go about this is I use a tool such as SEMrush, and I use the keyword magic tool within SEMrush, and I find keywords that are appropriate for my niche. So for example, for a travel site, I might look at things to do in, and then it will suggest to me different keywords. So you can see I've got suggestions for 815,000 keywords. I can then filter them for very easy, and I'm left with 15,000 very easy keywords, which basically means that if I post content on these keywords, I will have a very high chance of ranking because the competition is so weak in Google search. For example, here, once in a lifetime things to do in Los Angeles, keyword difficulty is just 9. And it gets a lot of searches. Okay, so then I can use AI to create content for me on this keyword. So I can go to DeepSeek over here and I'm going to ask it to write me an article. I'm going to say, write me an article for my travel blog about, and then let's come back over here and just grab this keyword and let's put that in. Okay, about once in a lifetime things to do in Los Angeles. We're going to click enter and it's going to think and it's going to write us a whole article on this topic about once in a lifetime things to do in Los Angeles. Okay, and you can see just like this, we've got a whole article about 10 once in a lifetime things to do in Los Angeles, which is awesome. Now guys, of course, Google is now getting smarter and there is a small risk that Google might pick up that your content was written by AI. So for this, once you've got this article before you post it on your website, it's a really good idea to take this article and then use a service such as walterwrites.ai. This is my favorite one, but you can use any other one that you like. And this service will actually humanize the content for you. So basically it will take your content and it will make sure that AI detectors do not recognize it as AI content. The next way to make money using AI is to provide script writing services. Now, if we go into Fiverr, which is where a lot of scriptwriters and various other freelancers sell their services, and we type in YouTube scriptwriter, you will see that there are a lot of offers from people to write scripts, and you will notice that there is a lot of demand. So you'll see that, for example, this person has done 193 scriptwriting assignments. This person has done 717. So there is a lot of demand for this because none of the YouTubers, myself included, we don't like writing our own scripts. Okay, so, and you can make pretty good money. I mean, here from $95, let's just open this up so that you can see. The premium service here costs $200 and it's up to 600 seconds. So this is essentially up to 10 minutes of the script. Okay, so it's 10-minute worth of script. This person collects $200 for this. So you could eventually do the same. You can also do this on other platforms such as Upwork.com. And to create these scripts, you can actually use a tool that is called getpoppy.ai. If you want a link to this tool, it's just in the description below. I am using this tool myself. And actually, surprise, surprise, the intro to this video that you watched, or you can go back and rewatch it if you skip the intro. The whole intro has actually been written by this tool getpoppy.ai. You can see it here. Okay, 30-second intro script for 7 best ways to make money with AI. It's nearly word for word what I said at the start of this video. You can go back and verify. And this was written by this tool called getpoppy.ai. So what I've done here is I've taken 2 videos from a channel that I really like. This channel here called Magnates Media. And I've entered these 2 videos, I've grouped them, and then I connected them to the chat box. And in the chat box, I basically said, I want you to learn the style of script in the YouTube videos by Magnate Media. Okay, so it's gone through it, it analyzed those videos. And then I said, now I would like you to write a 30-second intro in the same style for my YouTube video. And it's gone ahead and written this intro. So this tool is actually extremely good at writing all sorts of scripts, all sorts of copy. And you can basically go ahead and once you learn how to use this tool properly, you can sell it on Fiverr, on Upwork as a service where you start writing scripts for other people. Now, I'm not suggesting that you just take this and you copy and paste and deliver it, but you can use this tool to give you some inspiration, to give you a first draft if you like, and then you can go ahead and you can further refine this script. Also, if you go and watch this video on my channel, this video was completely written by getpoppy.ai. You can see here on the screen, I've actually gotten it to write all the different parts of the video for me. I was experimenting with this tool and I was asking it to use spiffing Brit style of video delivery. And then I asked it to write different parts of this video for me and it actually went ahead and it did it. This video is doing quite well. It's one of the better videos that I have had. The retention graph here you can see on the video is really, really good. It's holding the attention of the viewers really well. If I go and highlight the top moment, actually, it says that the whole video is like a top moment. So Clearly, it works very well. And if you guys want to give it a try, just go to the description of this video or to the comments. You'll find my link for getpoppy.ai. It is a paid tool, yes, but you can get a discount via my link. If you use my coupon code, then you can get a discount on getting this tool. And I'm personally extremely happy with it, and I think you'll find it very useful as well. Next way to make money with AI is by submitting your images to Shutterstock. So basically you can sell your own AI art on Shutterstock and on other stock footage websites. So just type in Shutterstock, submit my images, and from here you can share your work and start earning. Once you click get started and you register and you go through the whole process, you will get to the stage where you can start submitting your media. So you can submit high quality images, enter the descriptions, and people who are searching for similar images to yours, they will be able to download and use your images, and you will get paid per image. To find out the demand for images, you can use the search box here. We can type in, let's say we start typing in desk with, and you can see the suggestions here: desk with computer, desk with laptop, desk with flowers. So these are the highest in-demand images that people are searching for right now, that you can create these images using AI. And once they're in the database, whenever someone types in, for example, desk with computer, they will be able to see your image as one of the images that get recommended here. And if they end up using your image, then you can get paid a certain amount of money for them using your image. So let's just see if we can create an image, for example, like this, like a vector image of a computer with a plant and some stationery next to it. For this, you can use Leonardo.ai, which is my favorite image creating app. You can use these presets. I generally use Phoenix 1.0 model right now, and just give it a prompt, something like 2D minimalistic vector stock image of a desk with a monitor on it and a cactus plant on the left and a stationery cup on the right. And then let's see what we get. Let's click generate. There you go. We've got images that actually look pretty great. They probably look a lot better, I would say, than this image over here, to be honest. Let's just preview this one. You can see that it's high quality, high definition, and it looks really, really beautiful and great. So there you go, guys. In just like one click, you can create images like this and then just upload tons of them on Shutterstock, and eventually people will start choosing your image and they'll start downloading, and you will be able to earn money from this. If you search for instructions on YouTube, you'll find tons of people who are actually reporting their real results. You can see there are earnings, $350 from 484 downloads that I found in one of the videos. So it's a real thing that you can absolutely do. Next way to make money online with AI is by making thumbnails. Again, you can sell your service on Fiverr.com or at another platform, and you can list your gig and you can get pretty good money per thumbnail. You can see quite often many people charge $25 or more per thumbnail. Once you've built up a little bit of reputation, you can even charge $150 per thumbnail. And you can use Leonardo AI or another AI tool to help you create these images. I actually use AI personally myself a lot in my thumbnails. This is an image that I've used in one of my thumbnails recently. Here is another image that I've used in one of my thumbnails recently. Here are other images that I have generated that I've used in my thumbnails recently. And you'll also notice that top channels such as Magnates Media, which is one of the channels that I've been following quite a lot recently, you'll see that they use AI a lot in their thumbnails. For example, this thumbnail here, Ben & Jerry's, is of course AI assisted. So it's a great way to earn extra cash using AI. So you guys might know channels such as Lo-Fi Girl or other lo-fi channels, or even just channels that basically post videos of their music. And many of these channels have got hundreds of thousands or even millions of subscribers and get a ton of views on their videos. Let's see Lo-Fi Girl. You'll see that she gets hundreds of thousands of views on the videos that are posted on this channel. And to create this kind of music, you can use various AI tools. Suno.com is one of the solutions. And you can use Suno.com to actually create music for you. You can give it a prompt here. So I said, create a dreamy lo-fi track without any lyrics that's perfect for studying. And then we can choose the instrumental version. And then let's go ahead and click create. And that will go ahead and create a lo-fi track for us. Okay, and there we go. We've got a couple of tracks. I'm actually just going to preview these tracks. So let's go ahead and give one of these a listen. And of course, you can regenerate these tracks as many times as you like because it will always create a new version for you. And once you're happy with it, then basically there you go, you've got your music track. Now, if you're picky or, as you develop your channel as a producer, you can of course just use these as inspiration, but this technology is amazing. You can absolutely at least get started using Suno.com. 2-3 years ago, this was completely unheard of, creating this quality of music just by pressing a button on an AI solution. It's crazy good. All right, one more way that you can make money with AI is by creating short form videos. If you type in Egypt history into search, you'll see that there are lots and lots of shorts videos. For example, this one has had 2.5 million views, 1.5 million views, 25 million views. Like, look at these guys, 29 million views, and there is not a single person, there is no face in this video. All right, it's been generated by AI. And it's very easy to generate videos like this because all you need to do is to just generate an image out of Leonardo and then animate it. And you can get 29 million views. Isn't that insane? I mean, YouTube pays between $50 to $100 per million views. So this video may have well made $2,000 or $3,000 and it was generated by AI. So let's generate an image. So here I'm typing in animation style image of ancient Egyptians building a pyramid. Okay, so let's just go ahead and generate this. Here we go. We've got our images. They all look amazing and you can regenerate them until you're happy with them. You can change the styles. You can change the models that you are using here. So you can get the image to look exactly how you want it to look. And then you can use a service such as clingai.com and you can use the image to video option and then just upload your image and you can animate it. So here I've uploaded the image. You can see that over here. I've given it a brief description, Egyptians building a pyramid. You can make it longer if you want, but Kling AI generally has a pretty good idea of what is in the image. Okay, and I've just generated this. Mind you, I'm on a free plan. You can generate a certain amount of images and videos on a free plan. And there you go. We've got our video generated from the image. So let's just preview this. I think this is looking pretty awesome. Yeah, this is actually looking really, really good. You can see it's animated. It's exactly in the style that we wanted. It's really good. And so you guys could absolutely generate a video like this just by using the prompts, using free tools. And you could also be getting 29 million views or more on your channel using this technology. It's insane. Now, if you guys want to learn how to turn your AI video skills into $500 to $1,000 a day, how I personally do this, you can go to fastervideos.com, enter your email, and you can get access to my training course where I'm showing you how I'm getting tons of views and making money using AI content. So go to fastervideos.com.